Drones are amazing devices that can fly without a human pilot on board. They can be used for many purposes, such as entertainment, photography, racing, surveillance, combat, and more. In this video, I will explain what a drone is and what types it has. A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that is remotely controlled by a person on the ground or by an onboard computer. A drone can have different shapes and sizes depending on its design and function. There are four main types of drones: rotary blade drones, fixed-wing drones, single-rotor drones, and hybrid VTOL drones. Rotary blade drones are drones that have multiple rotors, or propellers, that spin around a central axis. They are the most common type of drones and are popular among hobbyists and professionals. Rotary blade drones can hover, take off, and land vertically, and can perform acrobatic maneuvers. They are also easy to control and stable in the air. However, they have some drawbacks, such as limited flight time, speed and range, and high noise level. There are four subtypes of rotary blade drones: tricopters, quadcopters, hexacopters, and octocopters, depending on the number of rotors they have. Fixed-wing drones are drones that have wings like an airplane. They can fly faster, farther, and longer than rotary blade drones, and can carry heavier payloads. They are also more efficient and quieter than rotary blade drones. However, they have some disadvantages, such as needing a runway or a catapult to take off, and a parachute or a net to land. They also cannot hover or fly backwards, and are harder to control and maneuver. Fixed-wing drones are mostly used for military, commercial, and scientific purposes, such as reconnaissance, mapping, surveillance, and delivery. Single-rotor drones are drones that have only one rotor, or propeller, that spins around a central axis. They are similar to helicopters, and can hover, take off, and land vertically. They are more efficient and powerful than rotary blade drones, and can fly longer and carry more weight. However, they are more expensive, complex, and dangerous than rotary blade drones, and require more skill and maintenance to operate. They also have a tail rotor to counteract the torque of the main rotor, which adds more noise and vibration. Single-rotor drones are mainly used for military and industrial applications, such as surveillance, inspection, and firefighting.
Hybrid VTOL drones are drones that combine the features of rotary blade drones and fixed-wing drones. They can take off, land, and hover vertically like rotary blade drones, and can fly fast and far like fixed-wing drones. They are the most versatile and advanced type of drones and can perform a variety of tasks. However, they are also the most expensive, complicated, and rare type of drones, and require more technology and engineering to build and operate. Hybrid VTOL drones are mostly used for military and experimental purposes, such as stealth, combat, and research. These are the four main types of drones that you can find in the market today. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages and can be used for different purposes. I hope this video has helped you understand what a drone is and what types it has. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.